Hey y'all, DJ Zana here.
And Katie.
And this time, especially with Easter coming around, basically, we got some bunnies to
5
jump on.
bunnies. We got 2 semi-normal flavors and then 3 super weird ones.
Yeah, so we got peanut butter chocolate, caramel and chocolate, then we got Fruit Loops with white chocolate, and then 2 sour variants.
And all of these are Russell Stover except for the Kellogg's Fruit Loop one. That's Frankfurt. So.
Yeah.
And we have a drink right here.
Yeah, a little palate cleanser.
So. These were all $1 though, except for the caramel one. So.
And we're starting with the caramel.
Yep. So this is the Russell Stover Caramel Bunny. Covered in milk chocolate. Go away. We got a thing that's saying it's Smash Wednesday.
Yeah.
Even though it's not. I mean, technically it is, but we don't do it anymore.
Eh. It's now been relegated to Friday night fights.
Oh, it smells good at least.
Which I need to redo the Google
It smells like chocolate.
calendar. Release.
It's heavy.
Yeah, it's supposed to feel substantial. Definitely smells good. Alright. Time for the Bunny Slayer to go ham.
Not that much of the head, you dummy. Just a little bit. Now you got caramel everywhere. Little baby bites, dear. Look, that freaking shattered. Mmm. What do you think?
It's good.
Russell Stover makes good chocolate.
And usually, I'm not a milk chocolate fan.
I'm usually not a caramel fan. But that was good. 5 for me.
Wow. Alright.
Maybe 4.5. Just because too much caramel.
Mm.
That sounds like an IGN review. Too much water. Was that Alpha Sapphire and Omega Ruby?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Next, we got milk chocolate covered in peanut butter. Smaller bites, dear.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Well, actually, I'm just going to tear the head off this time. Yeah. It's good.
Trying to taste this peanut butter.
Mm. Yeah, peanut butter and chocolate. Good.
I don't like it. Those are mine. As much as Reese's, but it's okay. Again, 4.5 for me.
5.
Wow. Now we've got a super weird one. Kellogg's Fruit Loops white chocolate flavored. Does it like actually have Fruit Loops in it?
I don't know.
Also, sorry about the glitter all over my hands. I was cleaning out something.
A little hint on a possible toy review.
No, I was cleaning out some old slime containers.
Oh.
Don't worry, it's dry. It's not going to come off.
Good.
I wash my hands and stuff. Look, there's actual pieces of Fruit Loop in it. Look. Smell that. It smells like a bowl of Fruit Loops.
Mmm.
I'm going first this time. Or am I just in half?
In half. Because I get the head, obviously. Fatality. Doomslayer wins. Flawless victory.
That's really good. It tastes like you're eating a bowl of Fruit Loops.
Yeah.
And then there's a little hint of white chocolate, but it pretty much just tastes like you're eating a bowl of Fruit Loops. And it's pretty.
That is actually good.
4.5 again. I'm starting to feel sick to my stomach.
Ugh.
Feeling a little bit sick.
More so the nose. Kind of feeling like.
1 second. Okie dokie. Now we have the sours. Watermelon flavored white fudge. Oh gosh, I'm so scared. You can smell it through the packaging.
Whew.
Come over here. You okay?
Just nose being weird.
I'm probably going to put these in Ziploc baggies and eat them later because I'm getting a stomachache.
Ugh. Yeah, about the same here.
It's just the sweet.
Yeah, it's too rich. Oh my god, that is potent. Like, I can
Ooh.
smell it from here.
Smells like a watermelon Jolly Rancher. And these ones are also tiny compared to the other ones. Oops, let me just see. Pink. And then we have the... When I told my mom about these, she's like... Hold your horsies.
Oh!
I almost dropped it, but I got it.
Yeah, that one isn't nearly as potent.
As the watermelon. So which one are we
Yeah.
doing first?
Watermelon.
I'm so scared. I don't want to eat this.
Thumbs up.
Whoa! Whoa!
Yeah, that flavor kick. Holy shit.
It's watermelon-y.
Actually tastes like, the one watermelon vape.
Oh,
I
there's
had a
like
while
some
back.
watermelon cream or something in it. No, wait, never mind. No, there's not.
Ugh.
Woo-wee. Woo-wee, woo-wee, woo-wee. That won't taste good with that. That's literally got the side of my mouth like puckering.
Woo.
Woo-wee.
Now the final one.
Are you gonna eat it though? So it doesn't get wasted?
How about you?
No. This one smells bad. Scared. Ow, my face. It's so sour.
Oh my god.
It's so sour.
Okay, the blue raz.
Oh, my cheek.
Jesus.
Oh, my cheek.
Even the blue raz vapes I've had over the years, I've never had, like, even a sour one, like, isn't this strong flavor-wise. Is this chocolate bunny here?
White
Or
fudge.
Yeah.
So, what are we rating these? These get a 2. The sour bunnies get a 2. I just don't.
Yeah, same.
The flavor's good. That's why I'm giving them a 2, but I would not buy them again.
Yeah, just, no.
So, for me, top was the caramel, which is weird. Then the
Yeah.
peanut butter. Then the Fruit Loop.
Yeah.
And then the watermelon bunny. And then the blue raspberry bunny.
Yeah.
You agreeing with that?
I'm about the same on that. Because the first two
Ooh.
are probably the most obvious pairings to go with chocolate, and thus those are the best of the 5 here. So, yeah.
I need to eat something savory like some chips or something.
Yeah.
God. I'm gonna have one of these. No, I'm not doing a video on that. I'm just gonna eat it.
It's something we constantly always buy, so.
But anyways, let us know down in the comments which ones you guys would try. Would you guys try sour blue raspberry and watermelon? My gosh. Would you guys try sour watermelon and blue raspberry bunnies? Or would you not? Or would you try a Fruit Loops bunny? Let us know down in the comments. And we'll see you guys next time.
Peace.